From this video, you will get tips from VMware vDefend Security for VCF 5.x Administrator, 6V0-21.25 exam. VMware vDefend Security for VCF 5.x Administrator. Exam information. Key exam objectives. How to prepare for success. 1. What is the primary objective of implementing lateral protection using the vDefend distributed firewall? A. To restrict access to NSXT Manager via VPN. B. To prevent data loss during VM snapshot operations. C. To control and restrict east-west traffic between workloads. D. To enforce bandwidth throttling policies. Answer: C. 2. Which 3 security features can be enforced using gateway firewall policies in NSX? Choose 3. A. Stateful packet inspection. B. L2 switching between VMs. C. NAT and VPN rule enforcement. D. North-South traffic segmentation. E. Cluster-level backup operations. Answer: A, C, D. 3. Which 2 capabilities are supported by the Shared Services Platform, SSP, in VMware vDefend? Choose 2. A. Detecting advanced threats using behavioral analysis. B. Automatically encrypting VM disk volumes. C. Generating traffic visibility for segmentation planning. D. Managing NSX edge cluster placement. E. Integrating with identity-aware enforcement mechanisms. Answer: A, C. 4. Which 2 best practices should be followed when deploying IDPS across large-scale private cloud environments? Choose 2. A. Enable logging for every rule regardless of impact. B. Use adaptive threat profiles based on workload risk level. C. Apply identical rules to every tenant for uniform protection. D. Tune detection signatures based on observed traffic patterns. E. Disable NSX Manager alerts to avoid false positives. Answer: B, D. 5. Which component in the NSX architecture is responsible for managing roles and permissions? A. NSX Edge. B. NSX Manager. C. vSphere Lifecycle Manager. D. NSX Intelligence. Answer: B. 6. Which 3 key attributes define a vDefend firewall rule? Choose 3. A. Source. B. Service. C. Log level. D. Destination. E. Uplink type. Answer: A, B, D. 7. Which 2 capabilities are core to the vDefend distributed firewall architecture for effective workload protection? Choose 2. A. Policy enforcement based on IP sets only. B. Granular rule creation using Layer 7 inspection. C. Context-aware rules applied per vintage. D requires physical firewall for microsegmentation. E distributed policy enforcement on every host. Answer: C. E. 8. Which component helps reduce the time to deploy multiple virtual services with similar configurations? A. Analytics template. B. Virtual service snapshot. C. Application profile. D versus template. Answer: D. 9. Which dashboard provides real-time visibility into firewall rule activity, service instance health, and security group membership? A. vSphere Performance Charts. B. NSX Manager Security Overview Dashboard. C. vSAN Health Monitoring Panel. D. SC Host Web Client. Answer: B. 10. Which interface is used to configure the gateway firewall policies in VMware NSX? A. vCenter Host Client. B. vSAN Health Dashboard. C. NSX Manager Tier 1, TIER 0 Gateway Policy View. D. SC CLI. Answer: C. Subscribe and like past question.